This video explains how to replace a toner cartridge in your Laserjet printer. The first thing we want to do is turn the printer on using the power switch on the side of the printer. Next, open the front door of the printer. Then, using the handle, pull out the print cartridge drawer. Grasp the handle on the old toner cartridge, and then pull the cartridge straight up to remove it. Once the old toner cartridge is removed from the printer, remove the new toner cartridge from its packaging. Sometimes, toner can settle inside the drum and cause poor print quality. We can prevent this issue by mixing the toner before installing it into the printer. While holding the cartridge from its side, rotate the entire cartridge 6 to 8 times to fully distribute the toner throughout the cartridge. Next, remove the orange plastic shield from the bottom of the new toner cartridge. Be careful not to touch the imaging drum on the bottom of the print cartridge, as this can cause print quality problems. Using the handle on the toner, insert the cartridge straight into the cartridge drawer. Once the toner cartridge is properly inserted into the cartridge drawer, you can remove the sealing tape by pulling the tab on the left side of the print cartridge. Make sure you pull the tab straight up to prevent tearing the tape. Close the print cartridge drawer. Then close the front door. Your printer is now ready for regular use.